The church provides a vital community for spiritual growth, fostering a sense of belonging and support among believers. It serves as a moral compass, guiding individuals through ethical dilemmas and promoting values like compassion and forgiveness. Attending church helps strengthen faith through collective worship, sermons, and sacraments that deepen one's connection to God. The church plays a crucial role in charitable efforts, addressing social needs such as poverty, education, and disaster relief. Ultimately, the church is essential for preserving religious traditions and passing them on to future generations, ensuring cultural and spiritual continuity.